All right, everybody, welcome back to What Deep Dive.
Hmm.
So, you've been thinking about selling your house, and we're here to kind of dive into how Sell That House to Me can maybe help you get a fast cash offer,
Mm.
especially if you need to sell quickly and you don't want to deal with all the hassle.
Mhm.
And, we know that life throws curveballs, and sometimes you just need to get cash for your house and move on.
Absolutely.
So, if you are looking to sell your house quickly and easily for cash, just go to sellthathouse2me.com and you can get a fast and fair offer today.
That's right. And the traditional way of selling a house, it's not always the best way to go, especially if you need to move quickly.
Right.
So today we're going to be talking about Lake Jackson, Texas,
Okay.
a unique market down there in Texas. And we're going to see how Sell That House to Me can help homeowners.
So give us a little bit of background about Lake Jackson. Like, where is it? What's it like?
All right, so Lake Jackson, it's in Brazoria County, just south of Houston. And it's kind of a cool story. It really popped up in the 1940s, all centered around the chemical industry.
Oh, wow.
And, now it's known for its humid climate, but also it's got these beautiful lakes and all this lush greenery. So you can kind of imagine what our sources were talking about with the swamp glow and the leafy hush, and you can almost feel that Gulf breeze.
Okay, cool. So we've got a picture in our minds now of Lake Jackson.
Mm.
So what's the real estate market like there?
Yeah. So in early 2025, it was described as being pretty hot. They used the words steam and heat.
Oh, yeah.
And the median price was hovering around $405,000,
Okay.
which is not bad.
Not bad at all.
But the thing is, houses were taking about 45 to 65 days to sell.
Oh, wow. So if you need to sell quickly, 2 months, that's a long time.
That's a long time.
Yeah.
And, our sources highlight some nice areas in Lake Jackson, like Oyster Creek Plantation, Village, Timber Creek. But still, that's quite a wait.
Right. So it sounds like a really lovely place to live, Lake Jackson.
Oh, yeah.
But if you're in a situation where you need to sell your house fast, those market times aren't going to cut it.
Exactly. And that's where Sell That House to Me can really step in and help. We buy houses nationwide for cash. Right.
And our whole process is designed to be as simple and as fast as possible.
So how does it work?
All right. So we make you a cash offer that's fair, and it's based on the value of your home as is.
As is. Okay.
Yeah. You don't need to do any repairs or fix anything up. We'll take it just the way it is.
Oh, that's a huge weight off your shoulders.
It is. You don't have to worry about spending time or money getting your house ready to show.
And how fast are we talking? Like, how quickly can you close?
Well, we can potentially close in as little as 7 days. 7 days?
Yeah.
Wow. That's incredible.
It is. So from the moment you decide to sell to actually having that cash in your hand, it could be about a week.
Wow. And no realtor fees? No closing costs?
Nope. That's right. You save money there, too.
That's amazing. Okay, so who is this service really for?
Mm-hmm.
Like, what kind of situations are we talking about?
Well, people come to us for all sorts of reasons. Sometimes it's foreclosure.
Oh, right.
They need to sell quickly to avoid bigger problems, or maybe they're going through a divorce and they need to split the assets quickly and cleanly.
Yeah.
Or maybe they just need to relocate for a job or family and they don't have time to wait for a traditional sale.
Right. It's just a simple way to get things done.
It is. It's all about speed and certainty.
So walk us through the process. Like, if somebody's listening to this and they're thinking, okay, this sounds good, what do they do next?
All right. So first, you reach out to us at Sell That House to Me, and then we just do a quick review of your property.
Okay.
Sometimes we'll do a quick visit. Sometimes we can do it remotely.
Okay.
And then we'll give you a straightforward cash offer. No haggling, no back and forth.
Okay.
It's based on the market value of your house in Lake Jackson.
And if you accept the offer,
Then we handle all the paperwork,
easy.
and we get the money to you as fast as we can.
So it's really taking the stress out of selling your house.
Exactly.
Especially in those situations where, you've got maybe a lot on your plate already.
Right. We understand that for a lot of people, selling a house is stressful. So we want to make it as easy and pain-free as possible.
And you're not trying to, squeeze every last penny out of the deal. You're really focused on just making this a smooth experience for the homeowner.
Exactly. We want to be fair, but speed and convenience are our top priorities.
So it sounds like you've helped a lot of people in Lake Jackson already.
We have.
Do you have any stories you can share with us?
Yeah, absolutely. So we've got Ray S. from Oyster Creek,
Okay.
and he said, Oyster Creek's moss got me down. They flooded cash quick out before the next steam.
Wow. So he sounds like he needed to get out of there fast.
He did. And then we have Kim T. from Plantation Village.
Right.
She said, Plantation Village's heat fried me. Their offer poured in cash in 7 No Creek.
So again, speed was key.
Speed was key.
7 days.
7 days.
Wow.
And then Pat R. from Timber Creek said their place was a plant worker's flop, but they took it raw. Cash splashed, fast, Gulf glow, gone.
Okay, so these are people from all different parts of Lake Jackson.
That's right.
Different situations.
Yeah.
But they all had that same need to sell quickly and easily.
Absolutely. And we were able to help them.
So I'm sure people listening have questions, like what are some of the common things that come up?
Yeah. So people always want to know how fast it really is.
Right.
And like we said, we can usually get you an offer within 24 hours
Okay.
and close in as little as 7 days.
And are the offers fair?
Absolutely. We take into account the market conditions in Lake Jackson.
Right. That humid rise in property values.
Exactly. So you can be sure you're getting a fair price.
And what about repairs? Do people need to fix up their houses before you'll buy them?
Nope, not at all.
Yeah.
We grab it sweaty, even near the park.
Sweaty. Okay. All right. So you're not afraid of a little bit of work?
Not at all. We'll take it as is.
Okay. What about foreclosure? That's a tough situation to be in.
It is. But we can help. We can help people in Lake Jackson get out from under that pressure.
Okay.
Avoid those long-term consequences.
And what about inherited houses? Those can be tricky too.
They can be, especially if the house needs work or if there are multiple heirs involved.
Well, we can buy that damp den near FM 2004.
Damped in. Okay.
Quickly and easily.
And divorce. You mentioned that earlier.
Yeah. That's another situation where a fast cash sale can be a lifesaver.
Right. You don't want to be stuck in limbo.
Exactly. We can help you split those assets and move on.
And what about if you just need to relocate, like you got a new job in Houston?
We can buy your house before you even move.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you really cover a lot of ground.
We do. We buy houses all over Brazoria County, Angleton, Houston, Freeport, Clute-Richwood, Alvin, Pearland.
Wow.
You can bail fast from any green gulf.
All right. So if you're in Lake Jackson or any of the surrounding areas,
And you need to sell your house fast.
head over to sellthathousetome.com.
Get a cash offer no matter what your situation is.
And, just looking at your website, we see you're helping people all over the place.
We are.
Not just Lake Jackson.
Nope.
There's Anna TX, sell your house fast for cash, sell your Kingsbury home fast, no repairs, no fees, cash for your inherited house, selling an inherited house the easy way. Yeah, we help people in all kinds of situations.
Okay, so let's recap. Why should people choose Sell That House to Me?
All right, so first of all, speed. We can close in as little as 7 days.
7 days.
That's right.
Got it.
Second convenience, we buy your house as is, so you don't have to worry about repairs or getting it ready to show.
Makes sense.
Third, fair cash offers. We look at the market conditions in your area and make you a fair offer.
Okay.
And fourth, and maybe most importantly, we help people who are going through tough times.
Right.
We offer a solution. We help them move forward.
So Sell That House to Me is really a way to skip all the hassle of the traditional real estate market.
Exactly. No more waiting months for a buyer. No more dealing with picky buyers or lowball offers.
So if you're ready to explore your options and you want a fast, fair cash offer for your house,
don't wait.
go to sellthathouse2me.com right now.
Our team is ready to help you.
And get you moving forward.
Exactly.
Awesome. Well, hey, thank you for joining us for this deep dive into Sell That House to Me.
Yeah. Thanks for having me.
And to all of you listening out there, remember, you've got options. Take control of your situation and explore those options.
Absolutely.
All right. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you next time.